Hey, welcome to the channel. In this video we've got the LG G4 OLED 83-inch TV, and after using it for a couple of months I can confidently say it's more than just a TV. But is it really worth the price tag? Today I'll show you how it performs and more importantly the best picture settings I've found for different scenarios like daytime TV, movie night and gaming. First up, the design. This thing is huge, but it still manages to look sleek and minimal. The bezels are razor thin and once mounted it just melts into the wall. If you're going for that clean look, it definitely delivers. The remote has a solid premium feel to it and the scroll wheel makes it really easy to navigate through menus quickly and smoothly. Now let's talk picture quality and more importantly how to get the best out of it in different situations. First, let's start with daytime. Now the mode I like to use is filmmaker mode. Then after that you want to head over to picture settings and then we want to go into brightness. Now I set mine to 85. Now after that go back and then go down one to contrast. I like to set this to 90. Okay, and auto dynamic contrast, make sure that's on medium. Next, if we head down to peak brightness, put this on high. This may already be on high for you. Okay, now come out of this and then press back and then back again and then go to general. We want to go to AI services, then AI brightness, put that on. Now this setup keeps things bright and vivid without blowing out the highlights, perfect for daytime shows and sports. Now let's move on to settings for movie nights or dark room settings to get the cinema feel. So press the settings button on your control and then we want to go to the brightness and we want to put this to 60. Next is the contrast, we want to put this down to 85. Your peak brightness should be on medium. Now if we go back one and then we go to clarity, we want to go down to true motion and make sure that's off. Now if we head over to colour, we then go to colour depth and we make sure that's 55. In a dark room, this gives you deep blacks, rich contrast and a more cinematic feel, perfect for Netflix or movie nights. Now let's head over to the gaming settings. This is on my PS5. First, if you press the settings on the control and then go to all settings on the TV, this is where you choose the mode Game Optimizer. Now we want to go to advanced settings and go to brightness and we want to put this to 80. Now come out of this completely, press the settings button then go to Game Optimizer, then we want to go into picture on the side and find black stabilizer. You adjust this per game for your preference. I've chosen 10, I'm going to be playing Spider-Man 2. Next go into the game section and scroll down to VRR and G-Sync, turn this on to minimise cracking and tears, and then after that turn on the 144Hz mode. Now, in-game, go to settings. This might differ depending on the game. Then go to visual, then set the 120Hz display mode to auto. Now when I press the settings on the TV, it used to say 60 FPS, but now it shows 120 FPS. Gaming on this TV is buttery smooth. If you're on a PS5 or Xbox Series X, you'll love the low latency and high frame rate support. Now let's take a look at the sound. First I'll play a sample using the TV's built-in speakers, then I'll switch over to the LG US95T soundbar so you can hear the difference. If you're interested, you can check out the unboxing video of the soundbar on my YouTube channel. Okay, now let's change it to the soundbar. The new WebOS is fast and intuitive. Switching between Netflix, YouTube and live TV is seamless. I also love the quick settings menu for tweaking things on the fly. And of course there's the magic remote. It still has the pointer style cursor like a mouse, which makes navigating menus, typing in apps so much quicker. You can also use voice commands directly from the remote, which is super handy. YouTube. After using this for a couple months, I can say the LG G4 OLED 83-inch lives up to the hype. The visuals are next level, gaming is elite and it looks incredible on the wall. If you're into home cinema, it's worth every penny. Want to see more of the G4 83-inch TV? Make sure to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button. If this video helped you, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to check out my LG soundbar video. It's the perfect combo with this TV. I'll catch you in the next one.